Once you have completed your project, you can export it out in different formats. So let's see exactly what formats you can export it out in. So in order to export it out in different formats, you can click on download button right over here. And here are the different options which are provided for you. So over here, you can see that as you expanded, the default format you can export it in is PNG. So if you have the Pro version, you can export the transparency. Otherwise, the transparency options is not available. So this is the default option right over here. JPEG is much more suited for images. So if you have less graphics and more images in your project, then you can choose JPEG. PDF is another standard, and this does have the transparency saved in. So if you want to download transparency options as well, if you're using a free account, then you might want to choose PDF standard. There's PDF print, which is a much more higher quality file used for print medias right over here. You can also download it as a video MP4 format from right over here, or a GIF short animated file right over here as well, if you do have animations in your file as well. Of course, there's the GIF movie animation file, but this is just for the premium feature. So these are the different file standards that you can download your project in and then share it with others.